Okay. Hello, my name is Mike Hurst from Highland Farm. I'm in charge of growing the plants at Highland Farm. And today I'm going to discuss to you how to fertilize the Arborvitae. First off, before we do any fertilizer, we have to identify what kind of plant this is. And just with about all Arborvitaes, they are considered to be an indeterminate plant. An indeterminate plant means that it can grow any amount of growth it can sustain in this growing season based on the environmental conditions that it is in. For example, if it's in a drought, it won't grow as much as if it was raining about once every week. When we start fertilizing, we use something called Osmocote, which is this stuff right here. This is a pelletized slow-release fertilizer, and our concentrate is 17-17-17. When we apply the fertilizer, we just dump it into our hands, kind of just like this. And we go over and we just do a light application just to the surface of the plant, just kind of like that. We don't need to put a lot on because there's enough in here for the plant to survive. And we just spread it around just like that. Not a lot. If you put too much on there, you risk burning the roots with salt burn, or a lot of times it just leaches away and ends waste product. With fertilizing plants, it is important for greenery and for growth, but predominantly the number one factor that plants have for growth is the amount of water, either too much or too little. So fertilizer is a good start, but watering is much more important. If you have any other questions, please contact us at 215-651-8329.
We're here at Highland Hill Farm, and these are our 3-foot emerald green arborvitaes next to our 3 to 4 foot green giant arborvitaes. These emerald greens are very slow growing. They'll grow to 10 to 15 foot. They grow about 6 inches a year. And we sell these for windbreaks and barriers and for screens on property lines. They're good for screening off a swimming pool, a small property that has a property between two neighbors. You could screen off there. It has to be full sun, and it has to be very, very good soil. It doesn't like wet soil or poorly drained soil. If you have wet or poorly drained soil, this product probably won't survive. We plant them about 3 foot apart on center. They will, it's fall right now, here it's in November or October, and you can see in the inside, you see some dieback. That's called fall needle loss. It's typical of this plant. Most evergreens do that. They lose about 1/3 of their foliage a year. When we plant large amounts of them for you, we always put a drip water system down like this. You can see it's working, and that's what helps keep these plants so lush and healthy looking. We deliver and plant them up and down the East Coast, and we can do upwards to 100 of them a day for you if that's the number you want, with our one crew of 3 men. And next to it over here, this is our cherry laurel. This is the Autoleucans cherry laurel that's getting ready to go out on a job. So we have a wide selection of trees, plants, and shrubs. We also have Leland cypress, like right over here. Those are our 4 to 5 foot Lelands. And down over in here, there's some taller 5 to 6 foot Cryptomeria, Yoshino. And throughout the yard, if you were to come to visit us at 5275 West Swamp Road, you'd see hundreds of different types of trees, plants, and shrubs that we sell, from both things like perennials to small shrubs to large caliper trees. Way down in the yard, you can see the bigger green giants that we have, and some of the other trees and shrubs. We also have Japanese maples, knockout roses, and a whole range of hollies and other plants for your landscape needs. So give us a call at 215-651-8329. Thank you. breaks and barriers and for